Hey Todd,
Hey Scott.
how's it going today?
So far so good.
Okay. Today we're going to talk about Qlight, right?
Yep.
And product that's really taken off at PCC. I mean, we picked it up a couple years ago, and I think actually I think a big catalog showed up on my desk. I mean, it was like
It's
a big one.
pretty hefty.
Then I think I threw it on your desk and said, "Hey, is this something you think we should add to the product line?" And I think you investigated, had some conversations with South Korea. This is manufactured in South Korea.
Correct.
And a little bit of language barrier and time barrier, but you got through and had a good conversation with them, and they sent us some samples. We're like, so send some samples, let's take a look at it. Samples came over, and I think you were impressed.
I
right?
was, yep.
Yeah. And then we said, okay, how much? And that's what really caught our eye, right? It was like,
Right.
okay, this is a very high quality product, competitive with some of the market share leaders here in the US.
Very much so.
Like Banner is a big player, and some others. And we said, okay, let's give it a shot, right? And that was almost 3 years probably going on
Yeah,
now.
it's 3 at least.
Yeah. And we had some customers take a look at it, use it on some equipment, that type of thing, and they really liked it. And now it might be one of the fastest growing product lines we have. I was just looking at sales again, and have some impressive customers and some volumes. And that's, I think, where it really fits is you get into some volume at this price point. I think it's really interesting, right?
Definitely. Yeah.
So, we're impressed with the quality, we're impressed with shipping, we can support the product well, documentation, right? Everything is good to go. So, want to ramp it up, and that's why we're doing this video, to let more people know about this product. So what else do they have? Kind of just a thumbnail.
Yeah,
of their
so they
product line.
do tower lights like Scott has there. They do warning signal lights, that can mount on a wall or various other mounting positions, various sizes of these. They have some explosion-proof products. They do some horns and signaling devices, and then this is sort of a unique product. It's actually a horn and signal combination. So with a light. So the light, the LED here, can flash or be solid, and then it'll have up to 31 different sounds, or you can put an SD card in it and actually record your own versions of sound as well.
So you can record my voice saying,
Sure.
stop, or...
Sure, absolutely.
And then these are some of the...
Yeah, then these are just various form factors. So there's, they have up to 125 millimeter stack light down to the 25 that we show there, so various versions of that.
Okay. And CE/UL ratings?
All the products that we're supporting here in the US are gonna have UL.
Okay. Another thing that I guess people should know, we are the master North American distributor for this
Correct.
product line, right?
Yes, that's correct.
So which means we get, really good pricing. I did mention it's a high quality product, so we want to do an impact test with this one right here. So if
I should bend over here.
yeah, let's. Oh, so let's talk about pricing, because pricing is what
It really drives this, yeah.
something like this. What's something
That
like
one
this
is
go for?
four elements, 50 millimeters, in the neighborhood of $90 or so.
Wow. And I think the competition, you're probably looking at closer to...
200, 400, depends on
Yeah.
the manufacturer.
Yeah, so if you get into some volumes, right, that could really make a difference. So what about, look at how technical I am. What's that go for?
Probably 77,
Okay.
something around there. So.
Yeah, so it is modular, right? We
Right.
stock these parts, we can put things together. If you're an OEM, we can stock specific configurations for you and everything like that. That's what we're doing. So anyway, really like the product. Our customers are really liking the product, and we just wanted to let you all know it's out there, it exists, and where to get it. So thanks for listening.
Thank you.